Hello, my loves. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share a healthy hair routine. I want to show you guys my hair routine after taking down a protective style, everything from washing my hair to styling my hair. So if you guys want to see the products that I use, the steps that I follow, and just hear some additional tips about maintaining healthy hair while doing protective styles, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below with any questions, comments that you have after watching this video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I just took down my protective style. I had in those cornrows with the bow braids, and I had those in for a little over 2 weeks. And it was time to give my hair the TLC that it needed. So the first thing that I did was my pre-wash treatment, because my scalp, y'all see that? It's a lot of buildup in that scalp and we need to get rid of it. So before I get into the shower, I like to treat my hair. I do this each and every time before I wash my hair. I start off by separating my hair, and I do this routine on dry hair. I don't wet my hair before doing my pre-wash treatment. For my pre-wash treatment, I use a mixture of 2 products. These have been my go-to products for the past few months, and they have been working wonders on my hair. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going in with some flaxseed gel. I make my flaxseed gel on my own. If you guys want to see exactly how I make my flaxseed gel, I did record it in the YouTube shorts, so I will link that video up above in the card so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But I love making my flaxseed gel. I've been trying to be more intentional about the products that I'm using in my hair, on my body, on my face. And one thing that I definitely want to get more into is just more natural products, just making things myself and figuring out exactly what ingredients I need to help with the concerns that I have. Like for my hair, I want my hair down to my ankles, okay? Not literally, but I want my hair to grow, you know what I'm saying? So as I am venturing off in my hair journey, I'm like, okay, what specific ingredients do I need to be using to help me get to what my hair goals are? And flaxseed has been one of those things. Flaxseed gel has so many great benefits. You can use it, first of all, as a pre-wash treatment. You can use it as a styler if you want to do a wash and go with this. It's so moisturizing. It adds shine to the hair. The curls be popping. Like everything about flaxseed gel, I'm literally obsessed with. And it only takes a few minutes to make it. So I highly recommend, if you guys have never tried flaxseed gel on your natural hair, definitely go ahead and try it out. So as I mentioned, I do apply the flaxseed gel on dry hair. And as you guys can see, the hair is getting nice and moisturized, which is why we don't need any water yet, okay? The flaxseed gel is going to give us the moisture that we need for this step of our wash day routine. And I like putting it in this bottle because the comb applicator piece of this bottle makes it super easy to get into the roots and make sure that this product is dispersed evenly. So I highly recommend these bottles. I did purchase them from Amazon. I will have the link down below. After I apply my flaxseed gel, I go in with this oil, which was created by my sister here by Kimmy on Instagram, if you guys are interested in picking it up. But it is basically a blend of natural ingredients that help with, 1, breaking down any product that you have on your scalp and in your hair, and 2, helping to promote hair growth. So what I do is I go in with this oil, I apply it to my scalp and also on my hair strands. And after I thoroughly apply this oil to my hair, I make sure to go in and massage my scalp for 2 minutes. Scalp massages are super important, especially if you are trying to grow your hair. Scalp massages help to stimulate hair growth, and they just feel good too, because who doesn't love a good scalp massage? You know what I'm saying? You can do it with your hand, and there's also devices that are sold on Amazon to give you scalp massages as well. But this step is super important if you guys are interested in growing your hair down to your ankles, just like me, girl. So after I do that, I go ahead and wrap my hair up. I let the flaxseed gel and oil mixture sit in my hair for about an hour before I get into the shower and actually start my wash day. So for my wash day today, I rinsed out that pre-wash. You want to make sure it's thoroughly washed out Remember, you have flaxseed gel and you have oil in your hair. So you want to make sure that when you rinse your hair out, you're making sure that everything is removed. So this step usually takes me a while because I go in with what I believe is a heavy hand when it comes to my pre-wash treatment. So I'll make sure to go ahead and rinse that out. If you guys are looking to add more moisture to your hair, I definitely recommend a pre-wash treatment. You can do the one that I just showed you guys, or if you don't want to make anything, you can use the African Pride pre-shampoo. That used to be my jam, okay? That used to be my jam. She goes crazy. So as you guys can see, the curls are already popping. The hair has a nice glow to it. Like, we love it here. I'm going to go in with this new product. This is the new Fenty hair shampoo. It's called Clear Thinker, and this is a clarifying shampoo. They just sent this over to me, and this was actually my first time using this shampoo. And babes, when I tell y'all that Fenty Beauty or Fenty Hair does not miss when it comes to their wash day products, they have it down pat. They have it like they have the Krabby Patty formula when it comes to wash day products, because their wash day products go crazy. I tell you guys all the time, and I did a whole review on Fenty Hair when it dropped a year ago. Happy 1 year Fenty Hair. But their wash day products, I'm obsessed with. Their stylers, they need a little bit of work, but the actual wash day products, the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, great job. This clarifying shampoo was definitely needed after taking down a protective style, and my hair was so freaking squeaky clean, and it didn't feel stripped of its natural nutrients. This shampoo, tea, okay? Then I followed up using the Fenty Hair Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner. I love this conditioner so much. If you guys have been keeping up with my hair videos, I told y'all that this conditioner is the one that made me a believer in the fact that I need a conditioner in each one of my wash days. Prior to this, I was just shampooing and then going straight to a deep conditioner. But I feel like a conditioner is a great like intermediary step to be like, okay, like before we get into that deep moisture, let's do this. Let's do this. It just feels so good on the hair. It smells amazing. And look at the slip. The slip goes crazy. So after I applied the conditioner and detangled my hair with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, I went ahead and rinsed out the conditioner. A little tip too is that if you feeling lazy, because I do this sometimes too, and you like, I don't want to condition and deep condition, you can either turn your conditioner into a deep conditioner and let it sit on your hair for X amount of time, just like a deep conditioner, or you can just skip to the deep conditioner step. But look at the hair, y'all. Look at the freaking hair. Last but not least, I'm going in with my Fenty Hair Deep Conditioner. This is literally one of my favorite deep conditioners of all time. And for me to say that, and for me to have had tried so many deep conditioners, you can tell that this is a big deal, okay? This deep conditioner, a little bit of it goes a long way. It literally melts into my hair like butter. Oh my God, like I'm literally so obsessed with this deep conditioner. So I went ahead and applied it throughout my hair. I'm like parting my hair, making sure I get in between. Because I feel like sometimes you just get the upper sections and it's like, nah, girl, you got to get up in there. I mean, like in it, okay? And then I detangle my hair with my Felicia Leatherwood brush just to ensure that the product is dispersed evenly. And y'all look at the curls. Like, I'm telling y'all, Fenty Hair, they got something on their hands. So after I detangle my hair with the Felicia Leatherwood brush, I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair up. I let this deep conditioner sit in my hair for about 30 minutes before I came back into the shower to rinse it out. And as you guys can see, after I rinse out this deep conditioner, the hair is glowing, the curls are popping, the moisture is there. Like, oh my God, I'm literally so obsessed with my hair every time I use my Fenty Hair wash day products. So now we're going to step out of the shower and we're going to get into the styling aspect. So as you guys can see, the hair is looking real good, real full, real ooh, real ah. For today, I decided to do a wash and go just because I'm trying to get better at wash and goes. And the only way to really get better at wash and goes is through practice. So I told myself, like, whenever I have the time, I'm going to go and do a wash and go and try different products and try different steps. So today, we are using a combination I've showed you guys before. But I switched things up because I have learned some things that I need to share with y'all. So first, I'm going to go in and I'm going to saturate my hair with some room temperature water. This bottle is from Walmart. I'll have links to everything down below. And for our styling products today, we're using a gel and a mousse from Uncle Funky's Daughter. So we're going to start off with the gel. This is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Gel. and we're gonna apply that to the hair. When I did this wash and go before and shared it with you guys, I went in with the mousse first and then the gel after. And while that wash and go did eat down, I learned after that this gel is basically a base gel. So as you guys can see, I put the gel, curls are popping, and now I'm following up with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Soul Bounce. Game changer. Game changer. If you guys have these products, if you guys want to try this combo, put the gel first and then put the mousse on top. So as I've been venturing off with my wash and goes, I tried the Do's 808 base gel, and that made me a firm believer in the fact that most of the time it works better if you put the gel first and then the mousse over it. And ever since I discovered that with my Do products, I am like, oh, I need to run all of my wash and go combos back and try putting the gel first and the mousse over it. I'm telling y'all right now, it goes crazy. Like, look at my freaking hair. The curls are popping. My hair is nice and moisturized, and it didn't feel like crunchy or anything after. It just feels and looks so freaking good. So hopefully that tip helps you guys out if you guys are venturing into wash and goes like me. You guys can see the before and the after. And the hair is it just came out so freaking good. Yeah, it came out so good. But I definitely want to try more wash and go combos. So if you guys have any go-to Holy Grail wash and go products, please leave them down below in the comments, and I will gladly try them out on my type 4 natural hair and let you guys know what they're hitting for. Even if there are products that you guys are like, oh, I want to see how this work on type 4 natural hair before I get into it, or if you guys want any additional tips about how to use certain products, comment down below and I will definitely share more in my upcoming videos. I also have a video coming for you guys, a week in my natural hair, where I show you guys like cute summer styles that you can try with your natural hair. So stay tuned because that's coming. So after I apply my styling products to my hair, I'm going in with my blow dryer. This is the T3 Featherweight Light Blow Dryer. If you know me, you know I love this blow dryer down. And if you guys are watching this video before August 3rd, this blow dryer is on sale during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And I did share that with you guys in my Nordstrom anniversary sale beauty recommendations video. So if you guys didn't watch that video, make sure y'all go watch it before August the 3rd. And if you guys are into getting a new blow dryer, if you guys want to try this specific blow dryer, I highly recommend picking it up during the Nordstrom anniversary sale because it's available for a great price. So I diffused my hair until my hair was like 80% dry, and then I allowed it to air dry for 20%. And look at the results. Look at the results. Nobody's telling me I don't look good. Okay, the hair is eating down. Look at the curl definition and the glow to the hair and the glow to my skin, and the face is beat. Like, everything about this look I was literally obsessed with. So this wash and go right here is definitely one of my favorites in the book. So if you guys are interested in trying wash and goes, or if you guys are like, what products works on type 4 natural hair, try out Uncle Funky's Daughter. It's Black owned. It's actually based in Houston, Texas, which is where I live right now, and their products are really, really good and super affordable. So definitely try it out. And if you guys try it out, comment and let me know what you guys think. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing my full healthy hair routine, post protective style. I hope you guys got some tips that you can implement into your hair routines. And comment down below and let me know if you guys plan on picking these products up, trying them out. And also, as I mentioned, let me know if there's any products you guys want to specifically see me review and try out. I love you guys so, so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.